Global Energy Group is a modern, forward-thinking international energy corporation. The family of Global Energy Group of companies is coordinated from the United States headquarters in Houston, Texas. Although the largest concentration of our business is in Nigeria, our business activities have extended to other locations in Africa and across the globe. Our operations include Bay Energy Services in Venezuela. We are also prospecting in other parts of the world, especially in Asia. In Nigeria, Global Energy operates a wholly owned subsidiary, Global Gas and Refining Limited. Global Gas is the first indigenous, independent gas processing operator in Nigeria, and it operates out of Rivers State, the energy capital of Nigeria. Our business was conceptualized in 1994 to process and market gas with Shell Petroleum Development Company of Nigeria Limited. The team of Global Gas has a broad background in energy-related activities. The directors and officers are well known and respected among the oil and gas in Rivers State and in the country as a whole. Global's operations are the largest private initiative in the Niger Delta. Global's mission is to explore, develop, and process oil and natural gas resources around the world. Wherever we do business, we work closely with local communities to empower and improve the quality of life. And we conduct ourselves ethically with a commitment to safety and a high measure of environmental consciousness and responsibility in our operations. The operations and maintenance of the Global Gas Processing Plant, GGPP, is managed under a joint venture between Hanover and Global. The plant site is located near Shell's production facilities at Cawthorne Channel Island, near the Bonny River. The plant consists of conventional cryogenic NGL separation unit to produce specific natural gas liquids. All on-site facilities are self-sufficient.
That is Shell's facility down there. We can't see very well from here, but that is Shell's facility. That's where the gas comes from to the plant.
The gas supply is processed through a low-temperature cryogenic process. Our natural gas liquid cryogenic plant is designed for about 120 million cubic feet of gas per day.
Like you see here, we have two compressors, consumes plenty of ampere. And like you know, during on of these compressors, some sparking comes from the breaker. That's why it's very essential to keep this area pressurized all the time, avoiding any entrance of gas coming from outside.
This is the control room. This is where the brain of the plant is. We can manage almost the entire facility from this place. We have a distributed control system, also known as DCS, through which we can give direct instructions to the plant. To the valve, we can shut down equipment, we can start up equipment, we can change sequence of events in the plant, and we can also have history of all the parameters in the plant, and we can monitor how everything is going out in the plant. Okay? We have two screens. Both of them we can make adjustments to the process and trip down and start up equipment, as well as we can monitor the quality of the gas that we are receiving, the NGLs that we are producing, the lean gas that we are sending back to Shell. We have two persons in charge of the control room, and they keep constant communication with the people on the field, because not all the operations are automatic. There's also manual operations. So since they are all the time taking a quick look at the parameters, so they can be able to communicate with the people on the field to carry out any other operation.
During this cryogenic process, the heavier liquids are extracted. The residual gas, methane, is returned to Shell for other domestic commitments. The storage facility is called the Burj Okoloba Toru, meaning Bonny River in the local community language. The natural gas liquids extracted from the Global Gases plant are transported through Global's 6-inch, 23-kilometer pipeline network to the Floating Production Storage and Offshore Loading Vessel, otherwise known as FPSO. The Okolaba Toru is permanently moored and accessible to ocean-going tankers. On board the FPSO, the fractionation process occurs, and the products are sold both to the domestic and international market. Global Energy Group is a modern, forward-thinking, growing company with our major operations in Africa. Currently, we are involved in a joint venture with the FCT for a gas distribution project that is to build a pipeline to Abuja to provide power to the Federal Capital Territory. This is an exclusive project between Global and the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. The investments contributed by Global are the largest private investments in the entire Niger Delta.